how are you today? Today I have this excellent mask, और हुदा ब्यूटी ने तो इसको बोटॉक्स मास्क का है. Actually I learned from this. It's original, you can say. Inspiration goes to her. She is an excellent woman and she has a brand. Huda Beauty के नाम से आपको पता ही है. So I follow her, and this mask she showed I think a week ago, and I made this, and it's an excellent mask. So if you want to learn how I do this, then keep on watching. Making this, I put it in the fridge, so ये थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाए. So I put it in the fridge, or I'm gonna put it on my face. This is not my first time I'm putting on my face, or I did put it on my husband's face as well, and he said it's amazing. I thought, why not I share with you guys as well. आप लोगों के साथ भी share करूँ कि ये it's good. Okay, अगर do you feel कि ये टिक नहीं रहा, तो I do have these cotton pads. You can soak it in these pads, और ये आप इस तरह ये फेस के ऊपर pads apply कर सकते हैं. So ये it stick to your face और ये नीचे ना गिरे. It doesn't have any solid thing to hold it. So like this. Sheet mask की तरह it will work. ये forehead के लिए भी ले लेते हैं. It smooth out your face like smooth as baby's butt. Oops, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for like 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you the results in just. Okay, I just wash it off, and it does make my skin so soft and glowing. And I do not, as you can see, I do not have any makeup on my face. I do have dark upper lips, and but this mask is very good, and you should try it. आजकल bananas भी सस्ते हैं, so do try it at home, and do let me know in the comment section if you tried in. Allah Hafiz.